Welcome. Today we take few more problems on this chapter, area under plane curve. Today is part 5 of this chapter. Our first problem is find the area bounded by y is equal to tan x, x-axis, x is equal to minus pi by 3 to x is equal to pi by 3. Options: 1 plus log 2 base e, 2 log 3 by 4, log 4, 2 log 4. Okay, let us see the rough sketch of the given curve and straight lines. It is one curve is there, y is equal to tan x. So actually at pi by 2, tan x tends to infinity. At 0, tan x is 0. So it is of that type. At pi by 2, it tends to infinity. And at minus pi by 2, it tends to minus infinity. So the area, region is y is equal to tan x, x-axis, x is equal to minus pi by 3, x is equal to plus pi by 3. This is the region. So region is that. So region is, say, A, B, O, D, C, A. This is the region. Its one part is below x-axis. This part is below x-axis. That part is above x-axis. So to calculate area of that part, we must give one modulus sign. But here you see these two regions, one is before, on left hand side of y-axis, and other is on right hand side of y-axis. They are symmetrical. So we can safely say that it is equal to 2 times OABO. OABO, it is exactly equal to that. So whole region is 2 times that. And it is completely above the x-axis. So very easily we can integrate this as y dx. Y can be taken from there, tan x dx from 0 to pi by 3. Now it is very simple. So it is log sec x 0 to pi by 3. So that it is equal to log of sec pi by 3, that is 2, minus, when I put lower limit x is equal to 0, log sec 0. Sec 0 is 1, so that it is 0. So this is equal to log 2, and outside there is a factor 2, so that it is equal to log of 4, 2 square, log of 4. So log 4 is correct answer. Option C. Next. Next problem is the area of the region bounded by y is equal to set. One set is given x comma y such that y square is less than or equal to 2x and y is greater than or equal to 4x minus 1. Yes, this is the, we have to find the area of the region bounded by the set of points xy which satisfies this is less than that and this is greater than that. If it is y square is equal to 2x, it is a parabola. If it is y is equal to 4 minus x, it is a straight line. So first of all, let us draw this region, set of points, which satisfies this and that. Before that, we write down the options. 11 by 32, 7 by 64, all square units, 13 by 64, and 9 by 32. This problem was given in IIT JEE Main in that year. First of all, we have to draw this region bounded by the set of points satisfying this and that. First of all, it is a draw this parabola y square is equal to 2x. Y square is equal to 2x. It is something like that. This is y square is equal to 2x. Now, y square less than or equal to 2x, we have to find out the region y square less than or equal to 2x. It may be on that side or outside the parabola. Test one point, 1, 0. 1, 0 is a point within that. If we put 1, 0 over here, this is 0, 2 into 1, that is 2. This is fact. That is, this satisfies that. It means this region y square is less than or equal to 2x is inside the parabola. So it is inside the parabola for less than. Next, write down y is equal greater than or equal to 4 minus x. It is actually x plus y is equal to 4 if we take the equal to sign. That is x by 4, y by 4. It is this straight line. So now we have to find out whether this region y greater than or equal to 4 minus x, whether it is above that or below that. Now in that side, 0, 0 is a point. Now if we test for that, 0, y is equal to 0 and 4 minus 0, that is 0. Zero is greater than 4, it is not fact. So this is just 1 minute. Hello. Y is greater than or equal to, if we take 4x minus 1, y greater than or equal to 4. Oh, sorry, I have taken this as 4x minus 1. Y greater than or equal to 4x minus 1. Then the straight line, we have to this straight line is y is equal to 4x minus 1, so that it is equal to, it can be written as 4x minus y is equal to 1. So x by 1 by 4 and y by minus 1, x by 1 by 4 plus y by minus 1. So this is the straight line. Now this is the straight line, this one. When it is y greater than or equal to that, let us see which point. Suppose on that 0, 0 is a point. If we put 0, 0 for test, that point, whether it is within that or outside this, putting y is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0 minus 1. So actually 0 is greater than that. So this point lies on that region. So region is on left hand side or towards origin, it is the region. So that our region is this, after that and before that. So it is the, now we have to find the value of that. For that purpose, value of the region. For that purpose, let us solve for this and that. One is y square. This means on the parabola, y square is equal to 2x and y is equal to 4x minus 1. Solving for y, 4x minus 1. Solving for y, we get y square is equal to 2x, means half of 4x. 4x means 1 plus y. That is 2y square is equal to y plus 1. That is 2y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So that it is equal to 2y minus 2y minus 2 into y plus 1. देखिए 2y square we have to factorize it actually. Okay, taking 2 common, y square, it is 2y minus 2y plus y minus 1. So that it is equal to 2y into y minus 1 plus y minus 1. So that y minus 1 into 2y minus 1 plus 1. Actually, this factorization is y minus 1 and 2y plus 1. 2y square minus 2y plus y. So 2y into y minus 1 plus, so that it is equal to y minus 1 into 2y plus 1. So that it means at the point solving this, y is equal to minus half and 1. So this point is minus half, and that point is y is equal to 1. So our area is equal to x dy. I am integrating with respect to y axis. X dy. First, okay, name it. It is say A point, B point, C, D, and A. So that it is equal to A, B, C, D, A minus the white part, that is E. It is minus C, C, E, A, C, E, A, D, C. It is equal to, first part is that area x dy. X can be taken from the straight line. X means y plus 1 by 4 into dy minus this x dy again. X means x should be taken from that curve, that is this y square by 2 into dy, and limit from minus half to plus 1. So now it can be very easily integrated. It is equal to 1 by 4 into y square by 2 plus y minus y cube by 6, and limit from minus half to 1. Now putting upper limit, lower limit, etc., and simplify, the answer would be 9 by 32. That is, option D is correct. Next, third problem. Area bounded by xy is equal to 4, y is equal to x is equal to 8, and x-axis. We have to find the area bounded by the region this. Number one, this is xy is equal to 4. It is a hyperbola, rectangular hyperbola. Xy is equal to 4. Y is equal to x is a straight line passing through origin. X is equal to 8 and x-axis. Oh, sorry. Options are 2 plus 8 log 2, 4 plus log 4, 2 plus log 2, 3 plus 8 log 2. Let us draw it first. Axis xy is equal to 4. Actually, when x is almost 0, y will be, because y is equal to 4 by x, when x is almost 0, it comes from infinity. It is like that. Y is equal to x. Straight line passing through origin and making an angle 45 degree with x-axis. And x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8. At that point, at this point, y is equal to 2. It is 2. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 8 is somewhere there. X is equal to 8. This point is x is equal to y is equal to x square is, so it is x is equal to, this point is x is equal to 2. So actually we have to find the area OA, B, C, D, O. OA, B, C, D, O is the area, region. It is equal to, we have to divide it into two parts, because for one part, area, this area, it is of the type y dx. That y can be must be taken from a straight line. And other one is, it is again y dx. That y should be taken from the curve, that is from this. So that's why we have to divide into two parts. It is equal to OADO plus DABC. For OADO, it is y dx, and y is taken from this x dx. Limit from 0 to 2 plus. Other one is y dx. Y should be taken from this, that is 4 by x dx, and it is from 2 to 8. Now it is very easily integrated, can be integrated, x square by 2, 0 to 2 plus 4 log x from 2 to 8. Now put limit, simplify, and answer is, after simplification, answer is this one. It would be 2 plus 8 log 2. So next. Next one, area bounded by xy, point, set of points xy such that x square plus y square is less than or equal to 1 and y square is less than or equal to 1 minus x. Options: pi by 2 plus 4 by 3, pi by 3 plus half, pi by 2 plus half, and pi by 2 minus half. अच्छा बेस, तो that problem was given in IIT Main in that year. So let us draw it first. If I take x square, this one, x square plus y square is equal to 1, that is, if we take the equality sign, x square plus y square is equal to 1, a circle whose center is at origin and radius 1. this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and y square is equal to minus of x minus 1, taking equality sign. This is a parabola. Y square is equal to minus 4ax type, that is its center is at, its vertex is at x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. So 1, 0 is the vertex, and it is of that type. Now first of all, less than or equal to sign for this circle, we can test the center. Center is 0, 0. If we take center, it is 0 plus 0 is 0. Obviously, 1 is greater than 0. So 0, 0 is the point on that region. So this means it is within, towards that, within that left side of the parabola. And y square, this one, y square is less than or equal to 1 minus x. Test center, again center, with 0 is less than or equal to 1. Again, origin lies on that region, so it is towards that. So common region is this. A, B, C, D, A, and O is origin. So common region is, first of all, it is, say, AB, region is A, B, C, D, A is equal to, say, this semicircle A, O, C, D, A plus this semicircle plus that part plus A, B, C, O, A. Now area of this area is equal to, for that part, it is area of the semicircle pi r square by 2. So pi into 1 by 2, area of that part, semicircle, okay. And for this part, it is 2 times OBAO is equal to pi by 2 plus 2 times OBAO. This is equal to y dx. Y should be taken from that. Integration root over of 1 minus x dx, limit from 0 to 1. It is equal to pi by 2 plus 2 times, it is 1 minus x to the power, 1 minus x to the power half. So it is, one negative is there, minus 1 minus x to the power 3/2 by 3/2 by 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, that is 2 by 3, into one negative sign that should be placed here, minus 0 to 1, so that it is equal to pi by 2 minus 4 by 3 into, when I put x is equal to 1, this becomes 0. So then plus, it is equal to 4 by 3, 4 by 3 into 0. So this is answer. So that first option is correct. Next, Next problem is area bounded by y is equal to root over x, 2y minus x plus 3 is equal to 0, x-axis, and x greater than or equal to 0. So x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. They together is the first quadrant. And options 32, 9, 16 and 17 by 2. Let us try to draw it. It is nothing but y squared is equal to x, this one, parabola. Y squared is equal to x means this type. Vertex is there at the center. This is actually 2y. This is a straight line. It meets 2y minus x is equal to minus 3. So it is x by 3 plus y by minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1. The minus, this is positive. So x by 3 and y by minus 3 by 2. It is somewhere there. This is the picture. This is the figure. So we have to find the and x positive, y positive, so that it is in first quadrant. So we have to find the area of the region bounded by that in the first quadrant. So this is in the first quadrant and bounded by this and that. Now for that purpose, from this point, draw perpendicular. Name it O, A, B, C, D. So required region is O, A, C, D, O is equal to O, B, C, D, O, O, B, C, D, O. I have taken this is in excess. So adjust minus O, B, minus A, B, C, A. This is simply a triangle, right angle triangle. To calculate the area of this region, we have to solve that point, solve for x, x coordinate of that point, this point and this point. So this point is solving this and that is y square is equal to x and 2y minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. We have to solve for x. So putting value of y, it is equal to y square means x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Y is equal to x minus 3 by 2. Y square is equal to x. That is x minus 3 whole square is equal to 4x. That is x square minus 6x plus 9 minus 4x is equal to 0. That is x square minus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. It is x minus 9 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So it meets this curve at the point 9 and 1. This point is surely it is 9. That point is 9. And this point, that is this point is 1. we are not interested about that point. We are interested about the point A. A is the meeting point of the straight line and x-axis. This straight line and x-axis means x-axis means y is equal to 0. Putting y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. This is 3, 0. So the required region is this, and area, it must be OABC, this OABCO. It is equal to y dx. Y should be taken from this curve, that is y is equal to root x dx, from 0 to b, that is 0 to 9, minus this white part ABCA. You can calculate from area of the triangle. You can, but it is very simple. This is y dx. Y should be taken from this. Y is equal to x minus 3 by 2 into dx, and it limits are a to b, that is 3 to 9. So that it is equal to x to the power 3 by 2 into by 3 by 2, that is 2 by 3, limit from 0 to 9, minus this is half of x square by 2 minus 3x 3 to 9. Now put all these limits, this limit and that limit, and simplify, and answer will be 9. After simplification, that must be equal to 9. So this is our answer. Next problem is area bounded by y minus 1 whole square is equal to 4x plus 1 and y is equal to x minus 1. A curve and a straight line. The options are 32, 64, 64 by 3 and 51 by 4. Let us draw it first. It is a parabola. It is of the type y square is equal to 4ax. Its vertex is at the point x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 1 of that type. And it is not passing through origin. It is of the type parabola is like that. And y is equal to x minus 1, it is actually x, it is x minus y is equal to 1, x minus y is equal to 1. So x by 1 and y by 1, I don't know whether it is y is equal to 1 or not. When we put x is equal to 0 over here, so y minus 1 whole square is equal to 2. So this is 1. So okay. So the straight line is like that. So this is the straight line and this is the parabola. We have to find the area between these two. In fact, if we try to solve in previous method, that is bounded by x-axis, y-axis or curve, etc., so many calculations needed. Here I adapt one unique method, very interesting method, and try to follow it. It will help you a lot. I consider here a stripe parallel to x-axis. Suppose this. Its thickness dy is dy. It is along y-axis. Thickness is dy. I first calculate the area of the stripe. Its area will be equal to this minus that. This point is variable. This is lies on that straight line, and that point also variable. That lies on that curve, because when this stripe is moved there, x will be increased and here x will be decreased. So its length is actually this minus that. This one is taken on that. It is y, x is equal to 1 plus y. This x is 1 plus y minus this x is equal to y minus 1 whole square by 4 minus 1. So area length of this stripe is x minus that x. This end is bounded on by the straight line and that end is bounded on the parabola. So it depends on y. You see, it depends on y. When it is moved somewhere above this position, x will be increased here for that one and x will be decreased for that one. But and because they are bounded by that, it depends on y. And this is length and breadth is dy. This is dy. So this is area of this stripe. Now if we can inflate it, that is expand this stripe along this and that line, so that the whole area will be generated. And in fact, in that case, the integration area will be integration of this. And we have to find the limit. That limit, that point is minus 1. To calculate this point, this point is, we have to solve this curve, and that is y minus 1 whole square is equal to 4 into 4x plus 4. That is 4x is equal to 4 times x means 1 plus y plus 4. So that y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 4y plus 8. So that y square minus 6y minus 7 is equal to 0. So that y minus 7 into y plus 1 is equal to 0. So that y is equal to 7 and minus 1. Minus 1 is that point just now I have seen, and that for that point y is 7. So actually now we have to inflate, we have to expand this stripe one along this one. This end is along that curve and this end is along that straight line. Then we can obtain the whole area. So this is from minus 1 to 7. And we have to integrate this. And integration is very simple, very easily you can do that. And after integrating it, this is y. Very easily you can integrate this. And putting limit, the answer will be 64 by just a minute. It is 64 by 3. So this one will be correct answer. This is very important type calculation. You practice it. It will help you a lot, at least for IIT Main and Advanced. Thank you. Today is up to this. I request you to please like it, share it, and subscribe it if not yet subscribed. Thank you.